On Christmas Eve in 1945, a fire consumed the Sodder family home.
How cool was that, eh? That was all done by AI. People just love mystery stories, and Halloween is around the corner. That is why I believe this is the next viral niche where you should hop on right now. So, you want to go on the adventure with me and be able to create something like the video you saw in the beginning and go viral? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing mysteries and unsolved cases shorts and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Last night, I was just talking to ChatGPT and asked it to give me ideas for a viral shorts YouTube channel. And then I created this video in CapCut.
In 1959, 9 experienced hikers ventured into the snowy Dyatlov Pass and never returned.
And then uploaded it to this channel right here, but I did not screen record the entire process. But no worries, I will show you everything step by step by simply creating a new short video. Okay, first of all, after we've decided we want to make mysteries and unsolved cases shorts, have to ask ChatGPT for the narrator script and image prompts to illustrate the story. So you could go ahead and ask something like this. Give me image prompts for my AI image generator for a Mysteries and Unsolved Cases YouTube Shorts channel, and also give me the script for the voiceover narrator voice. Then you should get something like this: 4 amazing image prompts and a short and sweet narration script. Since I already made a video for the Dyatlov Pass incident, we will now together create a short for the disappearance of the Sodder children. And no worries, I will show both results at the end of the video. So now we will first copy the narration script. And now, go to 11 Labs. This is an amazing AI text-to-speech generator. So go there and then pick your voice from the voice library. Since I already have the voice I want, I am going to skip this. Now go here to the text-to-speech section and paste the narration here, and then press Generate.
On Christmas Eve in 1945, a fire consumed the Sodder family home.
Okay, nice. Now download it. Now open up a new CapCut project and drag the audio in there. Okay, now it is time to generate the images with the prompts we got from ChatGPT. You could use any AI image generator of your choice now, like Leonardo AI. Just be sure to generate the images in a vertical aspect ratio, so 9:16. Since I have a Midjourney subscription, I am going to generate the images there. Watch me generate the images here. And guys, I will upscale way more than 4 images. I will also download some of the other images of the same prompt. This way, we have more footage to work with in the video editing process, which will greatly benefit our workflow. Now download the images and save them on your computer. When you've generated and downloaded all the images, we are going to CapCut and drag and drop all the images in there. Now arrange them in a way that it matches the story, and you can simply use the narration as your guide. Also resize the images if necessary. And guys, I set the image duration to 2 seconds if you want that too. Then before you drag the images in the playlist, go to Settings, Edit, and set the image duration to 2 seconds, and press Save. Okay, we're almost done, but as you can see here, we need one more image for the intro. So let's generate an extra image here in Midjourney. Now add it to the project. Okay, nice. Now it is time for the next cool step. We are going to add that chill motion to the images I found out about last night. Simply click on an image, and now here on the right, go all the way to AI Stylize. Now click on Style. and then click on the 3D Zoom Pro. Now wait a few seconds till it is done processing, and you get something like this. Okay, this is a quite rare occasion that this happens, but I do not like these weird black lines. Let's go back to the AI Stylize, and now go to Motion and select the other 3D motion effect. That is way better. Okay, now we are going to add the 3D zooms also to the other images. And to get the best effect, you need to add the 3D Zoom Pro effect, and then the next image 3D Zoom, and then 3D Zoom Pro effect. Do you understand? Simply switch between the two effects each time, instead of using the same one each time. If you want, you could also try the other effects there, but I like the 3D zooms best. Okay, now it is time for captions. Click on Captions and press on Generate. Next, we are going to click on Templates and pick a style you like most. And I am really in love with this one. It perfectly fits to the mysterious story. Make sure to check for any errors in the captions. Now go to Basic and add a preset like this to add a shadow, so the font will be better visible. Now we are going to add the background music, so go to the YouTube music library and search for a dark and eerie music. This one will be perfect. Now add it to the project, resize it, and adjust the volume if needed. Next, we are going to add some sound effects. Simply download them from YouTube. I am going to add a big fire sound, for example. Next, I downloaded some Christmas sounds for the intro and slowed it down and added some reverb. But yeah, you obviously will need different sound effects depending on your story. And again, you could ask ChatGPT for sound effect suggestions or simply come up with them yourself. I'm also going to add this kind of horror sound to make the video even better. And guys, in my first short I added a watermark. This time I forgot it, but you can just add it via some text and then turn down the opacity. As a final touch, we are going to add some filters. Go to Filters and select, for example, the Oppenheimer and Center Light filter. This will give the video an even darker look. When you are done, simply export your video in 4K. Okay guys, now we are going to upload it to our channel called Mystery Monster. Now we are going to copy the narration script from the video and start a new ChatGPT script and ask, create a YouTube title, short description and tags, spectated with commas for this YouTube short, and now paste the script in here and press enter. That is perfect. Let's copy it and paste it like this. Okay, nice. I am going to schedule this one. And guys, I just wanted to show you that I generated this profile image in Midjourney. And I've used these keywords for the channel. I hope this will help you. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Mysteries and Unsolved Cases shorts and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
On Christmas Eve in 1945, a fire consumed the Soder family home. While 4 children escaped, 5 were never found. No remains were recovered, and strange sightings of the children were reported for years. Did they perish, or did someone take them that fateful night? In 1959, 9 experienced hikers ventured into the snowy Dyatlov Pass and never returned. Their campsite was found torn apart, with the hikers scattered and some barely dressed, suggesting they fled in terror. To this day, no one knows what drove them into the icy wilderness, or what they saw that night.